So who should take venture school? Any entrepreneur who's got a business idea. They need to develop their business plan and take their idea from just an idea all the way to launching their business.
I enrolled in venture school because I came to the Papa John Center with a business idea and I needed to know whether this was something that I could take forward.
I think venture school helped me the most because it helped me refine my idea. I came in with a lot of different assumptions and a lot of different ideas, different directions that my business could go, and it really helped me boil down to the core what it was that I wanted to do with my business.
Venture school is for entrepreneurs who have that initial idea but really don't know what next steps to take. By partnering with the University of Iowa's Venture School, we'll bring in a program that will truly help our entrepreneurs with their customer discovery and experimentation that will lead to stronger and better startup businesses.
My advice for other entrepreneurs who have a business idea is to enroll in venture school and really learn who your market is and what your market needs.